Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me again, Maria, isang OFW na nagtatrabaho dito sa Gambia, Africa. So guys, I did something new. Please comment down below kung suitable ba siya o hindi. So guys, magsimba muna ako. And then, punta na ako kina Binta. So, atcha, let's go! Guys, alam nyo ba na yung channel natin ay nag-isang taon na. So, nag-first birthday na yung channel ko. So, guys, today, I want to appreciate yung family ng mga bata. So, ipag-grocery ko sila kahit papano. So, guys, pala nasa market na ako. Sinakay ako ng pastor papunta dito sa market. So, hintayin ko na lang si Binta. Tapos, mamimili na kami. So guys, Auntie Binta is here.
I'm here. Kamusta guys?
Kamusta guys? Auntie Binta is very beautiful with the lollipop.
I'm beautiful.
Yeah, see? Very beautiful Auntie Binta. Auntie, what you can say about my nose piercing?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful?
Yes, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful?
Yes.
Very Jeff. So guys, we will buy now. Atya, let's go.
Let's go. Guys, we are going to White House.
Yeah.
We're supposed to buy our rice there and oil.
And all that we need. Why White House? Because of this. See? Ooh, it's White House. Bibili kaming asukal. 2 kilo. So guys, we finished buying. But we cannot carry na the bag of rice. Yeah, it's heavy. So we asked someone na to carry it. We'll just pay him. So we are following him now. Up to that Binta's place na he will bring the materials to that side. Oh!
Yun naman lang.
That's him.
This is running, huh?
Guys, you see, oh, he's running.
You know that this one is very old back.
Yeah, he's an old pa.
It's not easy. Guys, you see the left, huh? It's not easy that you see this old path.
Yeah.
It's not easy, huh?
So guys, we did not reach yet, huh?
No.
It's a bit far.
It's fast more, huh?
Yeah.
But very soon.
But very soon we will reach.
Guys,
So we almost reach. Mga tropa, pinagpapawisan din si tatay, ah. Sobrang init, tsaka medyo malayo din kasi talaga. Aira. Kamusta?
Hala, wala ka jere-jere. Okay po jere-jere. Jere-jere. Hapo jere-jere. Wala ba, thank you?
Even that guy, he's there, he's saying thank you.
Barsi amar sisi.
They are asking me.
Yes, even our she will go and say, is Mariam coming today? I say, I don't know, maybe she will come. Oh, we are in Mwela.
Jerejef.
Yalla, gawa ko nga ang halis bari nga ang ate
Amen.
Amin.
Amen.
Aglan?
Yay!
Amen.
Amen.
Ya hapa come. Acha come. Acha guys, small guys, they say they are happy, huh? And madam buy this thing for them.
Yeah.
Now they say they are happy. They are praying for Auntie.
Jerejef. Jerejef.
Auntie, may God bless you. You see, the small girl, they are praying for you, Auntie.
Jerejef. I'll get the chocolate now, that one. Take na, take. And apple. Take na.
Modo. Ano Jamila?
Jerejep, jerejep.
Ano ki? Sioma. Ano mo sioma? Ag Jamila.
Mga tropa. Do like this na. Mga tropa. Dati akong kargadora. Bana.
Wow.
Ay, Auntie Myram will not cook today. I've been to, how's this one? How's this one? It's beautiful or not? Na? It's beautiful? No? It's not beautiful. Binto is saying it's not beautiful. See the kid too. Oh, Jaja is busy. Our boy is busy. Jamila. So guys, ayun yung binili natin sa kanila. Masaya naman sila. Sabi rin nga nila too much daw yun eh. Sabi ni mama. Pero I'm happy because they're happy too. So guys, you see like small we are going because of you and because of these people also. So salamat guys sa lahat ng suporta sa panonood tsaka sa mga solid viewers dyan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. So, ayun lang guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna yung video. Always remember, don't forget that you're amazing. Bye-bye!